Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan. First, ensure you have both Medicare Part A and Part B. You also need to reside within the plan's service area. Understanding the specific enrollment periods is crucial to avoid delays. We'll guide you through each step to make the process smooth and clear. Next, it's time to choose the right plan for you. Carefully compare different options, focusing on costs, benefits, and the provider network. Think about your specific health needs and if your current doctors are included. Don't forget to check if the plan offers prescription drug coverage, often called Part D, to ensure all your medical needs are met. Once you've selected a plan, there are several ways to enroll. You can apply directly through the plan's official website or by calling their customer service number. The Medicare.gov website also provides tools and links for enrollment. For personalized assistance, consider reaching out to a licensed insurance agent who can guide you through the choices. After enrolling, your new Medicare Advantage plan usually becomes active on the first day of the following month. Remember to review your plan annually during the open enrollment period to ensure it still meets your needs. It's always wise to stay informed about your financial well-being too. For a great resource, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.